Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and let's talk about righteous living in the chemistry lab. Number one, I want you to read ahead. Read the instructions. Fill out the pre-labs. If there is something that you don't understand, circle that, and perhaps when we go over it getting ready for the lab, more will be revealed. Calculated movement. Move your eyes first, then move your head, then move your body. Know where you are going before you head there, before you are moving in that direction. There is a lot of glassware and lots of chemicals in this lab. Be safe. Attentive waiting. The longer I live, the more I understand that chemistry is often about waiting. Everything doesn't happen right this minute. It takes time. So wait attentively and think ahead about what that means. Attentive waiting. Be well, brothers and sisters. Enjoy the journey. I will be doing so as well.